Hari Om. To continue with 266 and how to gain Shanti from the Ashanti is the process that we are looking into. Ashantasya kutas sukham, it is being said. So, how to gain peace from the peacelessness? So, for that, we have been seeing nine-folded path. It has been explained in the Bhakti cult. In that, we have seen, I think, five. We have seen Shravana, Kirtanam, Smaranam, Padasevanam, and Archanam. Archanam, as we have seen in the previous session, we have Shatanamavali, Sahasranamavali, right? The names of the God or the glories of the Lord, right? We take one flower or flower petal, chanting the name, we offer it to the Lord, to the deity, to the idol or the photograph or whatever we have. That is the literal meaning of Archana, right? In simpler words, the worship. And I tell you, in any walk of time, twice a day, worship is a must. Minimum, twice a day. Two great sandhyas happen in a day. One is the dawn, please not D-O-N. One is the dawn, other one is the dusk. That is from dark to light. Tamasomat Jyotirgavaya. That is early hours. Early hours, generally 99% of the people, they want the sun to rise them. Especially in this tropical country, that's quite easier. Of course, there are certain regions in the world where the sun rises very, very late and dawn. Then, it changes. What I'm saying is not universal. I'm speaking from this particular part of the world, the Asian continent. If we go for the Northern Europe and all, hardly we see sun. If you go to Holland, Denmark and all, and the sun rises somewhere in the afternoon, 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, right? And even in summer, the sun will be at the level of your eyes. It will be so bright and blazing. So let us not take those examples. Generally, dawn and dusk, as per this land. And the Brahma Muhurtam, which is mentioned, that is early hours from 3:30 onwards till 6, is supposed to be very, 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 very auspicious. You do anything during that time, quadruple effect we get. 4 times yield. So, especially for students, this particular hour studies is very, very essential. It's very good. I know a lot of us are all lunar birds. In the sense we sleep very late in the night, 12, 12:30, 1. Reasons may be anything. And we get up late. If we can fine tune our habits, early to bed, early to rise, that's a very good sign. Very good sign. In fact, even in English, there is a saying, the early bird catches worms. Right? So, have this point. And for the grihasthas, and they rest. What I suggest is, before the sunrise, please wake up from the bed, shrug off the lethargy. Any climate, even in winter, yes, no problem. And welcome the sun into the house. Open the curtains, open the door, welcome the sun. In our system, if you see, during winter we have special pujas. We have something called as Nakshatra Darshanam. Early morning, we are supposed to get up and seek the blessings of the stars, the luminous bodies. Nakshatra Darshanam. Darshanam means seeing in winter. All these systems that have been explained to us to develop certain healthy habits, right? And in Kartika Masam, Dhanur Masam, you know the worships, Tirupavai and other things, I will not tell you. Everything are done in the early hours. Even in fact, initially the Shabarimala Mala is during the Kartik. And if you see, in those days, for those 40 days, one is supposed to have cold water bath, sleep on the floor. There are a lot of things. One way, the resistance develops continuously when we do something. But of course, a lot of people after the 40th day, there itself in Pampa, having given up the Diksha or Mala, they again become the same, the old, like the, what do you call, the bent of an dog's tail. No, that has to be extended eternally. A friend of mine I know has gone 20 times to Shabarimala. So pious, so nice. And it's a pleasure talking to him. Very soft spoken, very gentle. So, this Archanam is 2 times you are supposed to worship the Lord. One is during the dawn, that is. Other one is at the dusk, that is the sunset. From light to vastness. If you look at the whole cosmos, in cosmos the vastness is black actually. We see the sunlight here, okay, but beyond Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and go further, right? So what we are supposed to see is, we are supposed to dissolve this limited body into this blackness. That is the vastness. That is the total expanse. Dusk, dawn, tamasoma jyotirgamaya. Let the light awaken me, should be the prayer. Dawn and dusk. I tell you, initially it is very, very tough. I know it's very, very tough. But 40 days you continuously do, as if Kumar is sitting on your neck. And the 41st day, it automatically happens. Without an alarm, you will be in a position to get up. Yes, you will wake up. And after waking up, to get up or not, again the mind plays. You should be very careful. Every time the mind's nature and a tendency is to slip to the lower levels. It is at that moment we are supposed to shrug off the lethargy and listen to the conscience inside. Hey, mind, I know you tell all this for my comfort, but my comfort lies in eternal happiness, not in happiness for 30 minutes lying down on a cot or bed. You should say that. Once you give this auto suggestion inside, My goal is eternal happiness. With an Ashanti mind, there is no succumb, there is no happiness. Only a mind with permanent peace gets permanent happiness. Once we start thinking of that, morning and evening, a person who does Archana, worship the Lord. See, the Pratyaksha Lord is the sun for everybody, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, nationality. Sun. Worship that sun. And evening also worship that sun. As he's going to rest, just pray for him and await for the next sunrise. On regular puja, I did not tell you the Shodasha Pachara pujas and other things and all. I did not explain much. This is of highest importance. And four more are there that we will see in the upcoming sessions. Thanks for being with me and follow this. Every day we are getting some new technique. Whosoever falls in whichever category, pick that up and practice. All these different varieties have been set to match the different mindsets. Right? Hari Krishnam Vande Jagat Guru.